let's compare the different EBS volume types. The general-purpose SSD volumes GP3 and GP2 are designed to offer single-digit millisecond latency. GP2 is designed to deliver a consistent baseline performance of 3 IOPS per gigabytes and can burst up to 3000 IOPS. It also provides a maximum of 16,000 IOPS per volume and up to 250 megabytes per second of maximum throughput per volume. GP3 enables you to provision performance independent of storage. It delivers a baseline performance of 3000 IOPS and can scale up to 16,000 IOPS. And throughput up to 1000 megabytes per second, which is 4 times more throughput than GP2. GP3 and GP2 have the same volume size of 1 gigabyte to 16 terabytes. Next, let's look at the provisioned IOPS SSD volumes, IO2, IO1. They are designed to deliver up to a maximum of 64,000 IOPS, 4 times more than GP3, and 1000 megabytes per second of throughput per volume, along with single-digit millisecond latency. They have the same volume size of 4 gigabytes to 16 terabytes. However, IO2 is designed to provide 100 times more durability of 99.999% compared to that of IO1 and all other volume types. Customers that need sub-millisecond latency, or need to go beyond the current single-volume peak performance and throughput, can use IO2 Block Express, which is designed to deliver 4 times higher IOPS, throughput, and capacity than IO2 volumes, along with a high durability as IO2. Now let's look at the throughput-optimized HDD volumes. SD1 can burst up to 250 megabytes per second per terabyte, with a baseline throughput of 40 megabytes per second per terabyte. It offers a maximum throughput of 500 megabytes per second, and up to 500 IOPS per volume. Similar to SD1, Cold HDD SC1 provides a burst model. These volumes can burst up to 80 megabytes per second per terabyte, with a baseline throughput of 12 megabytes per second per terabyte and a maximum throughput of 250 megabytes per second per volume. The maximum IOPS per volume for SC1 is 250 IOPS. Both SC1 and SD1 have the same volume size of 500 gigabytes to 16 terabytes. As you can see, Amazon EBS provides all these different volume types, so that you can tailor your storage performance and cost to the needs of your applications.